Galera, o carro branco não viu, olha. Ê, lasqueira! Passa bem devagarzinho pra não arranhar meu quebra-mola, hein? Bem devagarzinho. Vem bem devagarzinho pra não arranhar meu quebra-mola. Eita lasqueira, hein? Vem com tudo. Vem devagar, Samuel. Eita porra!
Oh, that was nice. What the?
Only in Memphis, baby, you can catch a nigga doing shit like that. A young nigga riding that motherfucker. Yeah, baby, the young nigga riding that motherfucker. Only in Memphis, baby. Only in. Look at my nigga. Yeah, we going down the street, baby, just like that. In the ill. I swear, ain't no telling what you lying to see in this motherfucker. Young nigga in the Mustang, baby. And we come down Sherry Drive. I'm just getting out work. I guess that's how he feel this morning. You heard me? Let's stop playing with her, babe. I gotta get her. I'm talking we live. I know I'm doing 60. Goddamn, I'm doing 60. The young nigga, goddamn, ain't bullshit.
Oh shit!
Oh, my God. Call 911. Call 911.
I am.
Stop. Oh my gosh!
Turn right onto South Beverly Drive.
I'm Rick Edelman with a warning. Millions of people are buying stocks they think are low. Now, a lot of investors have no idea the risks they're taking. But you're holding steady, right? You haven't made...
Oh?
I'll be good. Okay, you got a straw. Sorry. God damn it! What the fuck? What happened?
Characteristics of the stone, but
What the fuck?
Hindi, tapos pag lalo na kung naka-heels ka, naka-ganun ka.
Hindi naman ako nag-heels.
Oh!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
100 years, it takes really extreme conditions for those forests to burn. This year, conditions have been.
They were caught short. And it was the president who stepped in. This is the truth. This isn't a narrative.
Oh.
The president stepped
ADL 2173. Press the button right there.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we just set the
I heard him and I knew it was gonna.
So if you were just driving and put it in 4-wheel drive, that would have messed up the 4-wheel drive. Oh shit, oh shit.